Good morning, everyone. My name is Professor Jibertus and Ivan Tolan. The topic is all about the kinetic theory of gases. Objectives: to explain the main principle of kinetic theory of gases, to describe how particles behave based on this theory, to relate the theory to the gas law, Boyle's, Graham, Charles, Dalton, Avogadro's, and Gauss's law. First is kinetic theory of gases. The kinetic theory of gases describes the gas as the ensemble or collection of the large number of the submicroscopic particles. All of the were are the constant rapid motion that has randomness arising for their many collisions with each other and which the walls of the container connects the large to the small. It's described the microscopic temperature, pressures, viscosity, electrical conductivity, and volume in the terms of their molecular position and motion. Kinetic theories describe the behavior of gases as tiny particles in a constant random motion, explaining properties like pressures and temperature. Next is postulates. Key assumptions of the theory include: a gas is composed of many molecules that are treated as point particles. The molecules move randomly at a wide rate of speed. The distance of separation between the molecules is significant compared to the dimension of molecules. In other words, the volume occupied by the molecules is very significant compared to the volume of the gas. The molecules exert no electrostatic forces among themselves nor with the walls of the container. The molecules in constant random motion obey Newton's law. It means the molecules moving a straight line will continue to move. Unobstructed unit it collides with another molecule or strike the walls. Postulate in science postulate a fundamental principle or atoms used to build theories like the postulate of kinetic theory of gas. So, example, heating a balloon. When air inside the balloon is heated, the kinetic energy of the molecules increase, causing them to faster collide more frequently and forcefully with the wall, thus expanding the balloon. Equation that describe how gases behave under certain conditions. It's relate pressure is the P, volume is the V, number of the moles is N, and the temperature is T. Of ideal gases, assuming negligible molecule size and non-intermolecular forces, is a useful approximation for real gases and moderate temperature gases. Next is application of ideal gas law. The ideal gas equation contains four variable terms, namely P, V, N, and T, and a constant is R. These variables can be arranged in different ways to define the value of any one variable in terms of other three. First is the Boyle's law. This law gives the relationship between pressure and volume when the temperature remains constant. According to the law, the constant temperature pressure inside the system is inversely proportional to the volume of the system. Next is the Charles law. The volume of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute zero temperature or the Kelvin. As temperature increase, volume increase. The apply at the constant pressures and amount of gas, where V is the volume and the T is the absolute temperature in Kelvin, when the subscript indicating initial and final Second, Charles' law states that the constant pressure, the volume of the gases is directly proportional to the temperature or the Kelvin. Gay-Lussac law. Gay-Lussac law is the gas law which states it's the pressure exerted by the gases or a given mass and keep as the constant volume. Varies directly is the absolute temperature the gas in the pressure extended by the gas is proportional of the temperature of the gas when the mass is fixed and the volume is the constant. P1 is the initial pressure, T1 is the initial temperature, P2 is the final pressure, T2 is the final temperature. Gray-Lussac law describes how pressure and temperature of the gas are related volume is fixed. Avogadro's law. The Avogadro's law states that equal volume of gases at the same temperature and pressure have the same number of molecules for the given mass and volume amount of the gas directly proportional and temperature and pressure of the instant. Avogadro's law is that equal volume of gases at the same temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Conclusion. The kinetic theory of gases helps us understand how gases move and behave. It explains that the gas particles are always moving and colliding with each other and the wall of their container. The